Let us see in this video how to draw the 75° and the 37° 30-minute angles using the compass and the straight edge only. The 75° angle can be drawn in many different ways, such as the angle bisector of the 150° angle, but in this case we are going to do it in another way, subtracting a 15° angle from a 90° one. And the 37° 30-minute angle is going to be found as the angle bisector of the 75° one. In order to draw the 75° angle, we will begin by finding the 60° and the 90° angles. Using point A and the radius we want, we draw an arc that meets semi-straight line R at this point 1. Using point 1 as center and the same radius, we draw an arc that meets the former one at this point 2, getting the 60° angle. Using point 2 as center and the same radius, we draw an arc that meets the first one at this point 3, extending it upwards. Using point 3 as center and the same radius, we draw another arc that meets the former one at this point 4, so the semi-straight line that starts at A and goes through point 4 forms a 90° angle with semi-straight line R. The angle that goes from the 60° to the 90° is a 30° angle, so finding the angle bisector of the 30° angle intercepted by the arc 2, 5, we will get 60° plus half 30°, that is 15°, sum up 75 degrees. Or in other words, 90° minus these 15 degrees, which are half this 30° angle, equals the 75 degrees wanted. In order to find the angle bisector of the angle intercepted by arc 2, 5, we draw two arcs with the same radius, the one we want, using points 2 and 5 as centers, which meet at this point 6, so the semi-straight line that starts at A and goes through point 6 forms a 75° angle with semi-straight line R. I check it, here it is, the 75° angle. And we will get the 37° 30-minute angle by drawing the angle bisector of the 75° one. Using points 1 and 7 as centers and the same radius, the one we want, we draw two arcs that meet at this point 8, which belongs to the angle bisector of the 75° angle. So the semi-straight line that starts at A and goes through point 8 forms the 37° 30-minute angle with semi-straight line R. I check it, here it is, the 37° 30-minute angle.